Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will first prepare the host and board so the flash can proceed without surprises. Make sure your host runs a Jetpack-compatible Ubuntu release and you have at least 16 GB free for SDK manager images. This prevents mid-flash failures. Once ready, connect the developer kit in recovery mode with USB-C and confirm the board appears in LSUSP. Then launch Nvidia SDK Manager. Sign in, select Jetpack for Orin Nano, and start the download. This stages the OS and CUDA components you need next. Once SDK Manager completes downloads, you will initiate the flashing sequence. This writes the Jetpack OS and drivers to the internal eMMC or NVMe. During flashing, keep the board powered and connected. Interruptions corrupt the image. After flashing, the system will install CUDA, cuDNN, and TensorRT so your models run efficiently on the Orin Nano's NPU and GPU. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts. Allow the device to reboot, and then finish the first boot setup including network, user account, and enabling SSH for headless access. To finish, update packages and validate performance so your development environment is reliable. You should run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade, then reboot if kernels changed. This keeps drivers and libraries consistent. Next, test NVP model for power profiles, run tegrastats while executing a sample inference to confirm NPU utilization, and install additional Python packages via pip in a virtual environment. If the board fails to boot, re-enter recovery mode and reflash with SDK Manager, and double-check your USB-C power meets the 5V/4A requirement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.